Get the safest music subscription for content creators. With more than 35,000 tracks and 90,000 sound effects. Start your 30-day free trial today.
Yo, Makai. You hear me? Oh, wait, my mic's not over there. What's up, bro?
Yo,
About to get active. We gonna see what's up.
you.
Now, so far, everything's kind of playing out how I wanted to. So far for the week, we already had this big ass drop when the market opened with that gap. Hold on. My charts just like fucking squished together. That's tough. Fuck it. Alright, I'm gonna wait for Martinez to join. Not gonna lie, I smoked before I went to sleep. I woke up to that, I thought it was Sunday. I was like, something don't feel right. Like, I was dead ass convinced it was Sunday. Swear to God. What's today's date? 28th. Alright, we about to get lit.
Cold as hell.
You say you cold?
Hell yeah.
Shit. I can relate. Trust me. Trust me, I can relate. How cold is it over there? Like 60 degrees? 60 degrees?
Right now it's 49.
49? That's not too bad. 49 is like
California, bro, that's fucking freezing.
Yeah, but think about it. For me, it's 31 right now, and it feels good.
Oh no, hell no, you tripping.
Like 40 degrees is a good day in the winter over here. Like I'll be outside in 40 degrees with just a t-shirt on, some finally feel good type shit.
Yeah, my homies are from
What's going on,
Chicago,
Martin?
so whenever it's like 30 degrees out here, they're outside in short sleeve shirts and stuff.
Oh yeah.
Fucking freezing.
See, that's why I'm moving to Florida. I can't do with this cold shit.
You feel me?
Now we about to get right on into it. So far, everything I have for the weekly is playing out. We came down, retraced that bullish engulfing, not bullish engulfing, bullish daily order block after having this false break on the daily time frame. So I'm still bullish overall. We just got to try to catch that setup now. See what we got. Do you have any news today? There was news at 8:30. So, okay. So nothing's happening as of right now. We don't got no other news today. So we about to get right on into this shit. Yes, sir. Didn't mean to do that. Alright. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mark up the previous day's highs and the previous day's lows. So the previous day's low has already been ran through, and it looks like it was a potential false break scenario because after we cleared it, had a retest, and we just kept going higher. So that's another reason why I'm personally probably going to be continuing to look for longs, just because we are nowhere near the previous day's low, and I'm overall bullish regardless. So that's one thing I'm keeping in mind. Now let's get the previous day Asian session, which is it's gonna be a little bit weird. Yeah, it's gonna be like from here. So this whole thing right here is the Asian session, and all above it is the gap, which is currently getting filled in more. Let's get the 12 a.m. open right here. So far, based on what everything's looking like, something I could potentially be anticipating is a potential pullback of some sort to then go long, or price to continue moving a little bit higher before going short, but not taking out the previous day's high, and that's something.
Oh, you're on NAS. I thought
Yeah, I'm on NAS.
everything.
I think your series probably looking. Yeah, your series look like choppy. Fuck that. I'm not even gonna look at that. Shit don't even look like it's moving. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be paying attention to the previous day's high and this low down here, because I'm gonna draw my fib from it, just in case that there is a potential.
It's already at the 70% too.
I
had this all previously drawn out last night.
Okay, so we have that, and I'm also keeping in mind that price had this false break right here, so there is a chance that price might not potentially trade back up into this area, Is this anywhere on the higher time frame that price tapped into?
Yeah, 1 hour order block or 2 hour order block. I mean.
2 hour, you said?
Yeah.
Yeah, it kind of basically damn near. I ain't gonna mark it up, but I see which one you're talking about. All right, let's see. And then we're also at 14,000. Okay, yeah. Price is looking like we might have a little bit of a drop. But where this price is gonna drop to? We have 14,000 here. We have 13,900 right here. 13,800 right here. And then we got 13,700. I'm just gonna basically get all the mid figure and big figure levels. 600. I'm gonna go all the way down to 500, and then 500. If it goes any lower than this, goddamn, I'm not gonna be ready for that shit. Then we got 14,100 up here. Then we got 14,200 all the way up here at the previous day's high. I want to say price wants to go long, but at the same time, it's showing potential chance that price wants to
Yeah, I was
go
kinda,
lower right now.
bearish today.
I'm bearish. It looks bearish, but at the same time, I'm keeping in mind we already had this retracement into it, and we're already
Yeah.
showing a willingness. So if anything, I want to see a drop. I don't know if it's going to be a long-term drop though, because now let me get the 50% of this Asian session range, because we could get a pullback maybe to 14,000 or 13,900.
Yeah, 50% of the Asian range.
In this
It'll
area
also
right
be
here. Because I do think we got to fill this gap in. We still got some room to fill this in. All in here. All this I still want to get filled in. So there's still room to the upside. But I do think that there is definitely a retracement in coming. Is there any order blocks? We got like a small one on the 4 hour, but it's not. This is a fib move. Yeah, that was a continuation move right here. Yeah, I think we're gonna be getting a drop soon, even if it's not long term.
Look at the 2 hour chart. You see that little order block right there?
Or right here. Where's that
Go
at?
back to the Zoom.
13,848, 843. Yeah, I think that's somewhere price might try to pull back into. Just in between this 13,900, 13,800 area. We're already losing that momentum on the higher time frames, as you can see. 2 hour.
Yeah.
Part of me wants to look for a short, but at the same time, how far is this from here? 183 points. So that's enough room. That's enough room for a drop. Now, what would our anticipation be? Because London session didn't make any low of the day; it just trended upwards. So that could mean that this is the upwick, and we could still be looking for a potential down move. We'll see. Right now, price is slowly moving higher, but I am long-term bullish, but I'm not looking for any buys until I'm at least around 13,900, 13,800.
Yeah.
Got any order blocks, like bearish ones? Because I don't want to see price go any bit higher, but at the same time, I'm not trying to short just short. I want to see where price is likely to keep going to, because we already tapped into 70.50%, had this false break, so it's not like there's any liquidity above it, but besides it's high.
If you're going short, shouldn't you wait for the like a little impulse down and then wait for the retest to go short?
Yeah, you could, but that's if we get a retest. Because you gotta keep in mind, I'm also long-term bullish, so we could just drop.
My trade idea is to be bullish at that 70%, like the 50% of the Asian session range. I have my little eye there, so I'm waiting for price to drop to go bullish. But
yeah, like I wanna go long, but at the same time, I don't see as many long confirmations as there are short. Like you would just be buying off of the fact that it's at a big figure low. That's really all it is down here. Because then again, if you already cleared the previous day's low and you get all the way down here again, what's keeping it from keep going low? We gonna see.
I personally think we're gonna drop down to at least 13,300 area before starting to go bullish.
It's possible. I'm just keeping in mind this daily chart because this daily is it looks like it's getting ready to fly. Because the daily I'm bullish as hell, but the intraday it's not showing me bearish signals.
The daily is my reason for a bullish confirmation. Now I'm just ready to get on a
Yeah, it's
retracement.
losing really big momentum on the daily.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I don't know, but intraday is telling me different, so that daily might not really come in handy right now. Because there's no reason I'm looking for any buys in this area. I'm above the open. I would only be looking for ideally sells. We cleared this Asian session high. We're having a retracement into the previous day's fib, losing momentum, had a false break, and we're at a 14,000 big figure level. I think this would be a good area for me to go short, even if I don't get the best entry. When I see prices going shorter or falling, I can get in at least at 14,000. And even if I get a stop up here, that's like 70 pips. But if I wait for the hour closure or 30-minute closure, have my stop above that, I think it'll be a good sell signal. But we even could come to 14,100. It's just a matter of time. Just gotta wait, honestly. It's 9:06 though, so if it's gonna move soon. And all I need is like a nice 1 to 2. That's all I really need. I'm just trying to weigh my options, whether it's worth taking the risk. Oh.
The bullish buy that I'm looking at is a 100-point stop, so I'm already.
Yeah, see, I don't want to use 100-point stops. I don't like using anything. Anything over 60 is a lot for me. Like, if I use 100, it's more than likely gonna be on US 30. I'm probably never gonna use 100 on NAS because that's like real wide. Yeah. Everyone's different though. That's just me personally.
I mean, US 30 is kind of choppy, but I can kind of see something playing out.
Yeah. It's the same thing as NAS, just the price action isn't as clear, honestly. Same similar pattern.
Yeah, I'm kind of bullish on US 30.
I want to say I'm bullish too, based off the higher time frame, but intraday is shit.
Area getting respected.
Where is that? In between us?
Yeah, 3500. It's like price does not want to go down from it. It's touched it like 10 times and just keeps rejecting it every time.
The only thing is, I'm just looking at it from all the information point. We have no low of the day.
Yeah.
No, nothing. Like, it's just been trending all London session, which gives me a reason why I want to see price potentially come a little bit lower before going higher. Like, all this liquidity here, at least take out some of it, potentially maybe clear this low and have a potential, maybe a bullish New York reversal potentially. But at the same time, I'm keeping in mind that right now we are at this bearish order block right now over here. That's why part of me I'm thinking about going short, but at the same time, I'm keeping in mind that we didn't break no structure. But if I get in here, my stop loss would ideally be about above this high, which is about 60 pips. We're gonna see. My risk isn't gonna be that much in the first place, so we're gonna see. Let's see. I don't know, I'm gonna wait. Let me go on lower time frame, see what I'm seeing. Let me get the 50% of this order block. If we're like rejecting it, I might think about getting in.
Personally, bro, like I have a feeling I know exactly what's gonna happen with this thing.
The only thing is, it's not that I don't think it's gonna go higher, but if it just starts pushing from here, then there is no sell setup, and then regardless, I'm not gonna be buying or selling wherever it goes. That's my main thing. Because if it just starts to push from here, then it's just gonna be a trending day. There's not probably gonna be any.
Yeah, that's exactly what. That's why I was just thinking about then saying that because 30 it had that retracement, the bullish retracement to 7%, and it's just been rejecting that area at 33,500, and it looks like it just wants to push higher. And NAS is just, it looks like it doesn't even want to have a retracement.
I mean, personally, it could still go long, but I would rather it come at least to 13,900 before it does. And if it goes long from here, then I'm fine with taking that L, because then I could still potentially get this trade on, potentially make the money down to here, and then it could still go higher. I'm just trying to see. I'm trying to get this lot size. All right. All right, I'm gonna get in short right here. If it ends up stopping me out, then I'll know right away that I was wrong. I'm gonna take the risk. We're at this engulf. We're at this order block at this fib short. Looks like we're about to engulf on the 5 minutes, so I'm gonna take the risk. Ideally, we could potentially get almost a 1 to 3 if it really plays out. Well, 1 to 2 at minimum. Stop loss is going above that high that tapped into 70.50%. We're gonna see what happens. Not even risking 1%, risking 0.5%. So whatever happens, happens. We're gonna see what's up. And we got about, what time is it? We got about 20 minutes until the open. What we gonna see? Worst comes to worst, I just end up taking the L. That's the worst thing that could happen. US 30. Yeah, US 30 is doing. Let me mark it up a little bit more.
I want to buy US 30 so bad.
I don't know. Like, I just wish London session, not London session, it made a lower move, but there's nothing below here that I would like to draw a fib from to like see where it's retracing to, so it could easily come down a little bit lower. Because now if you pull your fib from this here, it misses whole move. So I don't know. This is room, in my opinion, to the downside. But if you look at it maybe at the 38.20%, that's where it's kind of like consolidating at. But now let me get the 50%.
From the Asian low to that little high, like right above the Asian high. Because that was the fib that I was looking at.
And if you look at that move, the 50% of all these ranges, or the major range, yeah, this one's playing out.
Yeah.
But I'm looking at it from,
area.
if you look at the 50% from this low to this low, it's remaining above. So it's all in a premium priced area. So this is getting orders, in my opinion, to potentially go lower. But hey, anything could happen. We're going to see. But that fib, the fib that you said from the low, yeah, it looks like this is going to be playing out. I just wish it was a London session move. I don't like how it's the Asian session low.
Yeah, me either.
NAS is still pushing a little bit. We're going to see, though. I have my stop in area where if I get stopped out, it gets stopped out. Alright, but what time was this made? 7:20. There's a chance this could end up being the high of the day. I hope it's the high of the day. We're going to see, though. We going to see. I want this candle. If this candle can ideally stay below the 62%, stay below this order block, and stay below the 50% of the order block, I think it'll be good. But once it starts closing above, the likelihood of it holding this trade is going to be less likely.
It's just like I want to. I don't know. Yeah, never mind. I was just about to say I want to buy into it, but.
You're going to see, as long as it keeps rejecting, it just shows a willingness to come lower, I'm going to just wait and hold. gonna see what happens. Yeah, it's trying to push now. Damn, it was rejecting slightly, but it didn't close rejecting. We go see, bro. We gonna see. Yeah, US30 looks a little bit cleaner for the longs, but at the same time, NASA is extremely more overbought. I don't know. We gonna see. Regardless what happens, we gonna see what to do.
I feel like I'm gonna miss the move, but I just feel like it's just pushing too much right now for me to just try to just jump in.
Yeah, it's just better just to wait. Never just hop in to hop in. I just don't want to see this high get broken. I'm cool with it doing everything it's gonna do. I just don't want to see it come above this high, because once it starts coming to this fib level again, the likelihood of it holding is just gonna be less likely. Yeah, it's not looking like much happening. I don't like how we got this engulfing though. That's not ideal. It's just a patience game today. I'm already in the trade, so only so much could happen from here.
I'm buying you at 30, bro.
You buying US30?
Yeah, if like you said, worst comes to worst, I lose the trade. It's just this area. It's getting respected just too much. I feel like 630, we might have the volume to start pushing up. Plus, we have that entire gap that we still need to fill the rest of it.
True. Where you got your stop below?
We're just right below the low.
Oh, all right. See, I would buy too. This is, I don't know. I just feel like price is more likely gonna want to clear these lows, because you know, with that volume, there's just so much liquidity below. I feel like it's more likely to potentially have something like this right when the open, because pace and how we're losing the momentum. We could just push, but it's like these candles are real small.
Yeah.
NAS is pushing, but
I'm in on a super small loss size, so worst comes to worst, I could just lose this trade and then get back in at the right time.
yeah, like I want to hold this trade, but at the same time, just slowly pushing and pushing and pushing, getting closer. It's not showing like a really strong willingness to go higher. But at the same time, we're gonna see that, because it looks like it's rejecting slightly. We're both losing momentum on here and US30. So even though they both look similar, I just don't want to see price have like a wick and then come down lower, because then I'm gonna be sick. Because I'm gonna just be sick. We just got to get a good rejection, but a closure of a rejection. That's what we need, in my opinion. Come on, man. Keep rejecting. Go a little bit lower. Put me back into some profit. I don't want to be in drawdown. I don't know. Just I'm sticking with my short bias. Just something telling me it wants to short. Don't know what it is. Just the way it's looking. It's looking like a short. Just everything's not lining up though.
Not telling us anything.
The
It's
higher
really
time
just like
frames,
a trade what you see today.
like right now, after getting this candle, that's just another good sign. I want to see it come below this 50% though. It's like rejecting 62% of the fib. I just want to see it hold this high though. I just want, as long as we hold this high, stay this is the high of the day, we are good. Well, I'm good. I don't know much about US30. US30, I don't know. Mixed emotions about US30. That's why I just stood away from it. Cause I see what you mean. It is holding this level. I don't know. Anything could happen. No news either. So we're just going straight off the open. Whatever the open wants to do. But all I'm going for is get my 1 to 2, 1 to 3, and that's all I need.
So, yeah, that's all I'm really shooting for today too.
It's Monday. Don't need anything crazy. Just going for the bare bone minimal. Just get the week off to a good start. That's all I need. Happened to my fucking music. What's going on YouTube? We gonna see, man. We gonna see.
Discover Epidemic Sound. Get the safest music subscription for content creators. With more than 35,000 tracks and 90,000 sound effects. Start your 30-day free trial today.
Where's the 50% of the Asian range over here? Is it holding it on the US30? Yeah, this is like holding that area. OD. God damn. It's gonna move from that area either up or down though.
Yeah.
Like the best possible entry is gonna be for buyer short at 33,500. That's like literally in the middle of everything. So regardless where it goes, you'll know right away. I just wish that like we have little shit like this where it missed the 62% by a few points. We don't have no low down here. We have to use the Asian session low. So there's like a whole bunch of things that I don't like using. Then we have a gap up here too. There's like a whole bunch of things going on right now that like are making this story like hard to picture. We're at 33,600 also. Keep that in mind. It's right at another mid-figure level, big figure. So depending on where it starts closing here, if it starts closing below or above, that's another sign of where price is likely to start to try to move to. Right now, we're currently like in between levels, but we're staying below the
33,600.
33,600. Yeah, if this closes above, it's a higher sign, but we're losing momentum.
Yeah.
That's the only thing. Like, it would be one thing if we were seeing like clear candles, but we're losing momentum, and I would rather see price lose momentum on bearish candles if I'm looking for a buy, personally. So that's kind of what I'm doing here. I'm looking for a sell, so I'm waiting for all these bearish closures. But I already know how US30, not US30, the indexes be, so this shit could easily just
I'm thinking it's gonna wick.
just easily fuck me up real quick. You never know.
Yeah.
But as long as I can get
momentum is gonna fuck me too. I'm already knowing.
That's why I don't want to be. I want to be as far away from my stop as possible. Because for all I need is for price to potentially come down here, make a wick. I'll get out, and then it can go wherever it needs to go after that. It could do whatever it got to do. But even the bears, there's just no momentum overall for either bullish or sell side. We gonna see. We gonna see. US 30 slowly losing momentum now too. Same thing with Nas. Nas, I just needed to keep pushing. I need the momentum to kick the fuck in. Because even though we're getting bearish candles, they're not major. They can easily get fucking eaten by one bullish candle. Five minutes to the open. And if you look at the fib from this way too, from that short in from that high. Come on, grab this fib. Yeah, the 38.20% potentially. It could. We're gonna see though. I ain't trying to predict nothing. Yeah, this is Monday for you. Ain't really shit happening. And watch that open. The open's gonna come, show me I was wrong, and I waited all this for nothing. We gonna see though. I'm just waiting for something to happen. I'm waiting for some action, good or bad. So all this, I just want to see get taken out. That's all I want to see. 15-minute candle closes in 2 minutes. Hopefully it continues close bearish, but anything could happen in 2 minutes. Like that. See, that's the one candle I was talking about. That could easily come and fuck me up. We get into golfing. Like, as long as it holds this high, that's all that matters. Because US 30 still shows a willingness to potentially still go lower. I just don't want to see this high get ran through. Because then the whole analysis is out the window.
I thought that's what's gonna happen. 630 is gonna push her that candle higher.
That's what I'm assuming right now. Hope not. Hopefully this clears this high and then comes lower, but we're significantly close to it.
If I shorted, it'll probably be sometime after that. After it grabs the liquidity highs right here.
Yeah, like US 30, I feel like US 30 is gonna end up having the move I wanted to see on NAS.
Maybe retracement to go higher.
Yeah. Or just have the drop off first without having a false break. Because with the way this is holding, it's looking like it wants to hold to go short. NAS kind of does too. But at the same time, it's iffy. It's iffy for sure. Because if this closes bullish, the open's happening in a minute. So yeah, US 30 is looking like the better short.
That's usually why I just chart up both NAS and the US 30, just in case one gives me a better setup than the other.
Yeah, originally it was NAS, but the way NAS is moving, it's like being a little difficult. Yeah. US 30 on the 5 minute, everything is like slow. It's just shifting that momentum over.
Yeah, all these candles are starting to lose a lot of momentum to the upside.
Right. If this is the high of the day, then this trade should be cool. So
let me get in right here on US 30 for a sale.
Watch, US30 is gonna melt and fucking Nas is gonna sit here and finesse. Come on, don't go stop me out. Don't go stop me out. Just keep falling. Because the open's here now. US30 is dripping. Come on, Nas. Don't do the opposite today. You would do the opposite today, wouldn't you? You sneaky motherfucker. Yeah, it just came and stopped me out. See, I knew Nas was gonna do some bullshit. Now US30s, maybe US30 came to retest 500.
That 50 SMA is rejecting it hard.
Damn, Nas, don't do what I said you was gonna do. Come and stop me out and then keep going. Just keep going higher at this point. You motherfucker.
Yeah. US30 might start pushing now too, because Nas is going up.
Yeah, it looked like US30 part might be able to retest the zone here.
50 SMA, and then now it's about to just fly. Fuck! I got in the wrong direction, bro. Actually, I don't want to count myself out too fast. It's barely the 6:30 candle, so
I don't know. After retesting this, and if Nas keeps going, then I see US30 going higher now. I don't know if I want to wait till like ghosts or just get in now with the stop below these lows. How wide of a stop would that be, though? Damn.
50.
Damn, that's a wide stop, fam. Goddamn.
Yeah. I don't know. I think I'm going to just stay with my bias on US30, but we're going to see what happens.
Shit, I wanted to see price go lower, but with the way it's moving on Nas is fucking chalked. US30, I want to go long US30, but the stop placement's my only concern. If I have it below here, 60 pips. If I have it below here. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna start just getting in small lot sizes. Slowly get in. So I just got in now with a small portion. I'm gonna keep the stop below this low down here. As I see it slowly start to go in profit, slowly start to work out, then I'll start to add more position. If I can add more position. But NAS 100 is chalked right now. I'm looking at US30 now. And it's probably going to be the last trade idea I take these longs. But once we start to clear these highs and show willingness to go higher, I'll look for potential retracement. But we will see. We'll see if I'm right or going to be wrong. Ideally, target these fib levels just for first targets. But we will see. We will see. This is Monday too. Everything's just choppy. We will see. %50 of here, big figure level, fib long. Not from the London low, but we'll see.
Come on, Dirty, bro. Just fall.
Yeah, they're just being difficult. This is Monday for you, though. They're both just doing opposites right now. Like two different things. No volume, no momentum, no nothing. Now Nas is showing a willingness to come back down after coming into 14-100. They're just doing flip-flops right now. It's hard to tell the buys. This is more or less you gotta pick one and just stick to it, and whatever happens, happens.
Yeah. I'm trying to stick to my bearish bias, bro.
I was bearish, but with the way everything's looking, if the buy doesn't work out, then just let it do, because nothing's clear. Sells weren't clear. And the fact that we didn't tap into this fib for the short, that's another reason why I don't want to go short. Still think there's room to tap into them. Let's see some volume. That's all I need right now. What is with this ad, fam? Fuck out of here. There we go. Yes, sir. Come on. Reach the highs. Reach the highs. I need to get above 33,600 at least. 33,600. If we can, I want to get a position in there in anticipation that we'll keep going higher, but I needed to get some bullish momentum first. Nas still rejecting. At this point, I think Nas could still come fill in this gap though. It's damn near there.
Well, I knew NASA's gonna do that, and then if NASA's gonna do that, then I knew US 30 is gonna.
Yeah, shit. At this point, it's better to stay out. I'd rather be out than in there as of right now,
Yeah,
just
I'm
with the
gonna
way
put
shit's
my
looking.
stop loss at break even, so if that shit comes back down, it'll just take me out.
Yeah, because right now it's like iffy. It's off and on right now with what price is trying to do. This we can engulf this 15-minute candle, I think will be good. Because looking at it from this perspective, if we can keep pushing and get above these highs, I can slowly move my stop to below these candles lows. But I need to keep pushing from here.
Pushing, bro.
Need that momentum to kick in.
Fuck, bro.
Need that momentum. All right, TP1 hit. Shit is cool, bro.
Oh.
Shit wasn't clear whatsoever. I need to clear that high though. Clear that high. All right, I'm breaking even. On the one position, got some of the other positions still not break even yet. Wait for it to get to like 1.5. 1 to 1.5, now break even. But I see it pushing. I just need it to keep pushing. Damn, don't reject now. Ah, don't do that.
I just lost a quick $40.
Shit, fuck it. Could have been more though. At least you managed risk. Cause look, right now it's not being clear whatsoever.
Yeah, I need to go to the gym after that loss. I'm not even about to try to get back in the market.
Nah, don't, it's Monday, bro. Fuck that. I'm in these positions. Whatever happens, happens. Like I'm break even on one half of it. I'm trying to get this other half to at least TP3. Ideally. Shit, anything could happen. Come on, there's like no momentum right now. Push, my boy. What's Nas doing? Nas is still doing what it does. This is just one of them days. Better out the market than in. Yeah, like my first position looks like it's gonna damn near come down and get stopped at break even if this shit gonna keep pushing. Like the 15-minute time frame looks good, just it's really failing. Yeah. Looks like everything's starting to reject, in my opinion. I want to see it go higher, but at this point, the way it's looking, it can go both ways. I'm just trying to be patient enough to hold and not just take what I got. There we go. Keep on pushing. Keep on pushing, man. Go back above that high. After it cleared this high, it just started rejecting OD. Come on, bro. At least go to TP2. At least, bro. It got to like halfway there and just start rejecting. Doing it again. what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move that one stop from break even, just because I have faith in what it's gonna do. So I'm not gonna risk getting stopped out on the position.
I need to just start sticking with my original bias because I had it right the entire time and completely switched my bias the last second. Now
It's just a
fuck it.
consolidation. You can't really. It's like hard with
Yeah.
consolidation. You don't know where it's gonna go. Like right here, I would have got stopped out at break even, but I have a feeling it's still gonna go higher, so I moved it back to the original entry. We're gonna see. Hopefully, this is a retest.
Respecting that 50 Asian range and the fib and all that other stuff, bro. I should just stay with my original bias.
Yeah, I see what you're saying. I see why it's clean buys. That's why I'm going for it. But at the same time, it could have been way better. There's better situations where if we had a low down here that had the low of the day, that would have gave me more of a reason to hold. Because now, for all we know, this can come clear all these lows and still stop me out. Because I could still be wrong. Especially with the way it's moving now. Damn near about to engulf this candle. We'll see though. I need to turn into a rejection and hold 33,600, but the way this is looking,
oh yeah, it's starting to reject now.
If NASA's rejecting too. It's one of them days, man.
Yeah, for sure.
It's not ideal. Trade setups I wanted to take just weren't happening until after the fact. So what I'm gonna do, I want to take some off, but at the same time, I just want to stick to it. But going off of just instinct, this is not looking good. What are the chances of this playing out right now? We gonna see, man. Right now, it's just playing so many games. US30 is being a little iffy. At least NAS is like not being crazy, like up and down. It's like this is one candle just being a little wild. Oh my god. US30, make up your mind. It's holding above 33,600 though, so I'm gonna still hold the position. This is so ass. This is so ass. Ain't shit happening. Might want to fill the gap. I want to see it fill the gap. I honestly do, but with the way shit's moving, it's just after we cleared this high, it's just having no willingness to go higher. Yeah. I'll feel more comfortable shorting NAS though, not US30. US30, if I get stopped out, I'm just let it do what it has to do. NAS looks like the better short in my opinion. Yeah. I want to hold this, but I don't know. My instincts right now are telling me not to.
Yeah, I'm out of there. I'm about to head to the gym. I can't even. I'm out.
Yeah, there ain't no point of watching this shit. This shit is just giving me a headache.
No cap. Whatever it does, then we'll just be back on it tomorrow.
Yeah.
It's only Monday. Let Monday play it out.
Yeah, it's only Monday, bro. Anything could happen from here. Nah, you be safe though. I'll talk to you.
All right, I'll see y'all tomorrow.
All right, bro. Come on, US30. Now it's just me and you. I gotta light a candle to get you horny out here, man. I need you to spice it up. You should do something. I'm gonna hold the bullish bias, man. It's showing me so much willingness to go higher. That is crazy. Come on, man. I at least want to see you clear these highs up here. At least. on, US30. Keep on going. Come on, fly, my boy. Fly. Martin, you still here? You muted? Yeah, you're muted. US30, you're playing games today, my boy. You want to go higher, but you don't at the same time. I'm just waiting. I'm waiting for you to stop playing. Yeah, US30, you playing games today. Nah, that's just showing willingness to go higher. For anyone watching, this is the reality of trading right here. Waiting, stress. Back to break even we go. This shit is stressful as hell. Yeah. It's not looking good. I mentally already assumed this trade is gonna be a loss. Just nothing's playing out. It's Monday, no volume. NAS 100 is everything's overall on a higher uptrend, but you know how these markets can get. Best thing to do is just have your stops where they're supposed to be and just let the market do what it has to do. Best thing to do, just let the market work. Let the market work. There, NAS pushing. US30's rejecting again. Just waiting.
What's up, Andre?
You're just waiting and waiting. NAS is showing a willingness to go higher again.
So
US30, not so much.
30.
Yeah,
See, I just hit alerts, bro.
So what?
I said I felt so good last Friday when I said a stop loss alert, a TP1 alert, a TP2 alert, because my alert for stop loss was never activated, and my TP1 was activated when I got to the gym, and all I did was switch my my stop loss to break even, and then I did my gym, and then at TP2, that's when I got another alert last Friday, and I was like, man, this is stressless, like this is stress free.
Yeah, it's just passive trading at that point. That's why I like being on this RSO personally.
I get FOMO, bro, like that. So I feel like that was like one of the days where I was just like, man, if the market's gonna do what it's gonna do, I'm just gonna set my alerts.
True. I'm just waiting for like on my trade idea. I'm not changing. It's just the market's not wanting to move. No momentum.
Consolidating facts.
I know it wants to hold. It's holding this level clean, losing momentum. I'm just waiting for the bullishness to kick in, but it doesn't seem like it wants to. And then every time it does, it just goes back down. Just patiently waiting. Just trying to get to above these highs. Above these highs to 33,800. That's all I'm aiming for. That's all I need. Come on, keep pushing. Don't lose momentum again. Just keep going. Just keep on going. Nope, it's doing it again. Yep. This is like the worst area to be in trades at. Consolidation. NAS looks like it wants to drop. US 30 looks like I want it to go higher before it drops, but I need it to push before NAS starts to fall, because every minute goes by, NAS is looking like it's getting ready to turn over more and more. US 30, just push. Push. Just, I need like literally 50 more pips. 150, alright, maybe not. Like 150 pips.
Yeah, it's just cruising around, break even.
There is no momentum right now whatsoever.
Everybody's still asleep.
Not in the market, at least. Shit, they're all wide awake. It's just no orders getting put in. That's what's making me believe it's just gonna fall off and not to go long, because the volume's here, just not probably for the long side. Because once it starts going the direction it wants to go, it's just gonna fly there, whether it's up or down. But every time it gets to this high, it doesn't want to go anywhere higher. So it's making me believe that it cleared those sell side liquidity and now wants to go, cleared the buy side and wants to go for sell side, which is not what I want to see happen. I could easily take off 1% right now, but I already took that first L. I'm trying to at least get to TP3.
There it goes, Andre.
I ain't too certain yet. I just gotta actually see it push.
There it goes.
No, I need to clear the highs. Fuck that. Go higher, my boy, please.
735. I'm gonna move stop loss to break even. Huh.
Yeah, it's just coming back down. Come on, clear them highs. The highs. The highs. NAS is pushing too, alright? There's a little bit of a better sign. But nonetheless, this is not moving. Alright, I'm gonna break even one of my positions, which is at the bottom of this candle's wick. Yo, this shit is annoying, man. This makes me want to take out what I have. It's not trying to move. Back into the range it goes. This is not ideal whatsoever.
It's back in that range, man. It needs to reject it fast, or sometime soon, at least.
Nah, it's still pushing. What the fuck, US 30? What are you doing?
Oh, there's a little pop. Let's see. Is that a zone?
The market, the candle is open, that's why. It always has like that momentum offer of candles, but usually the candle opens, it goes the opposite direction that it's gonna end up closing in. Just like that.
Those are them scalpers.
Yeah, I'm giving this about like 10-15 more minutes. If I'm still in draw, if I'm end up in drawdown, or if I end up back at break even, if probably just gonna cut it wherever I am.
Keep it as a 0% day.
Nah, it's not gonna be 0, but won't be as bad as it can be if I just keep waiting here for this to play out.
I got all day. I'm gonna let this. I got my stop.
No, I don't got all day. The market, it moves on my time. Fuck the market.
I want to see a 34K US 30. No, I'm just kidding. That's gonna happen, but not. I don't think anytime soon.
Yeah, not right now, at least.
Jeez, come on. Come on. Yeah, I'm about to get stopped out. 50 more points. That's not bad. Still got some room to breathe. What's the weekend? How was the weekend?
Chilling. Nothing crazy. Same old, same old.
Hitting new records on the squats.
Oh yeah, 255. Did it for like 6 though, so it's not my max. I don't know what my max is. It's probably close to like 300, somewhere around there. US 30,
Yeah.
you get on my damn nerves.
It's looking a little bearish.
It's still holding, like the bullish structure's still there. It's just there's no volume. That's really what it comes down to. There's no volume. Like NAS is still all the way in the sky. US 30 says this is why. That's why I don't be trading you, US 30. Every time. Every time I trade you in the past like month, I regret it. Every single time.
I've been winning with the NAS, bro. Like those will look kind of clear, straightforward.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. NAS trades are nice. That's why I've been looking at them more.
Yeah. Well, last year US 30 traded nice, so it's just probably like momentum and traders' choice, maybe.
Nah, but if US 30 was trading clean last year, then that's probably even trading cleaner. I just never looked at it. NAS still pushing. US 30, US 30. I think it's one of them days where I just leave it, do what it do, and just don't even look at it, because it's just not getting me nowhere.
Set some alerts, homie, so that when you're out and about, you're not like.
I just set
not
my
worried.
TPs and stop loss. Regardless, whatever happens, only 2 options. I only set alerts for like TPs, but I don't really. After I'm done trading, I could care less about what's happening.
So I was so last Friday, kind of just break it down to you, like my aha moment. Like I was trading by myself. I was like, man, all I do is look at charts and that throws me off because when NAS dipped down, normally I would have just FOMO'd out of the trade. I got saved by like 5 pips because my stop loss was under the lows for those like London. And it reversed and went up, and that's when we took our TP2s on NAS. And I was like, man, if I was watching the chart, I'm pretty sure I would have backed out of the trade because it was kind of, just I know myself. So what I did was I set an alert, a stop loss, and then I was at the gym, bro. And right when I was entering, there's this guy, James. He doesn't have a car. He's learning his stock options and getting good. I've been trying to talk to him about like you and everything. And I showed him, as soon as I started talking to him, because he was leaving the gym, I was entering, I got an alert that says TP1. I was like, no way, bro. I was like, check it out. And I showed him really quick on MetaTrader 5 how to move stop loss to break even. And he's like, that's what's up. And I go, what do I have to be afraid of, bro? I still got a job. I still got family. I still got food. I go,
Facts.
everything now, I'm going to be blessed for the rest of the day. Shit. Or it's going to stop me out when at break even.
Shit, I feel it. I feel you 100%. I'm just waiting for this shit to fucking hit TP2, man. Like, what the fuck? Goddamn.
I already have this TP set.
Like, I'm looking at NAS, like, the momentum is there. It's more than likely gonna keep trying to fill in this gap, but just shit. The willingness for US 30 is not there whatsoever. It's just a matter of time, but I know if I close the trade, it's just gonna shoot in my direction.
Yeah, you just gotta be patient, bro. If it's gonna stop you out, it'll stop you out. Don't stop out too early or close too early. It's 8 o'clock, bro. There's still some time in the day. We could see that push to at least TP1, TP2.
Regardless what happens, it's just either I'm gonna just leave it and just get off my computer.
Facts. The same.
But with the way this is looking, there's just no momentum. I don't know how much is worth holding. Like Nas still got maybe 60 pips and then it clears that high, and then at that point it could easily just stop going higher from there. But US30, it's just in this range and it doesn't have to do anything right now. Like, it looks like it wants to go higher, but at the same time it's not doing it. Actions speak louder than words, and it's not showing a willingness to do anything but consolidate. Yeah, now it's engulfing this 5-minute candle. Yeah, this is not looking ideal whatsoever. It's rejecting this fib short. Oh boy. Nas is rejecting too. This is fun. Back to below 33,600 now. Yeah, doesn't look like it's gonna go any higher.
It's gonna have to go down, take out the lows of the Asian. Jeez, we got some. Yeah, fuck.
This shit is just shitty. It's choppy. Ain't shit happening. Like, I don't even think I'm gonna stop out. It's just gonna end up consolidating this whole area and doing whatever it has to do. I'm just stuck in between it.
Yeah, it's either gonna hit you out, bro, or maybe later on just break even. I don't even know, bro, because right now I'm still positioned. It's not bad.
Put these TPs up here because I don't know how much longer I'm just gonna stay. Look at this. Alright, I think they're all TPs are set now. Let's make sure they're too safe. Alright, they're all there. Alright, put TPs at TP3, which is right above this high. So whatever happens, happens. I'm giving it like 5 more minutes before I just skedaddle. I see some bullish momentum. So all I need.
Time. All right, Andre, what are you working on today?
You said when or what?
What?
I think I'm working on chest and tries. Oh man, this shit is not going where it wants to go.
Yeah. Come on. US 30's playing today.
Yeah, just got an engulfing on the 15-minute too, so I don't know how likely it is it's gonna be to push higher. Stop loss is below 33,500, but nonetheless, whatever happens, happens.
Yeah. Solid day. Monday. Good day. Let's see what everybody's up to.
It's recessing like the 15-minute order block, but I don't know how likely it is gonna hold it. It's pushing like to 50% of it now. Yeah, the bullish momentum is no longer existent. NAS is rejecting also. This point is just, is the stop loss gonna hold before it goes higher, or is it not? That's the question I'm asking myself right now. Giving it 2 more minutes.
Yeah, there's no volume, bro. It's just sideways. It's sideways. All right, Andre, I'm gonna take off, man.
All right, bro. You be safe.
You be safe too, and I'll be in the chat, the Telegram, in the later in the evening.
All right, bro. I'll talk to you.
My dude.
Yeah, guys, I won't be here much longer either. This trade's either gonna be a loss or in profit. I have my TP set at TP3, which is above these highs. But at this point, I don't know what's gonna happen, so I'm just letting the market do what it has to do, letting my stop loss do its job. But right now, it doesn't look like it's gonna hold. So for everyone wondering, more than likely gonna be an L on this trade, but it's not over till it's over. Yeah. It's falling now. And that's more than likely falling with it. Yeah. Timing just wasn't there. TP1 got hit, but TP2 never got hit. And ain't nothing we could do about that. Now we're rejecting my entry. But now, on everything, guys, if you want to stay in tune with everything that's going on right now, make sure you just join. Can you guys see it? Make sure you just join the Telegram. Here's the link. The link's in the description. I'm going to keep chat updated, but as of right now, I'm just gonna get off the charts because ain't really much happening. So it's better to just let the market do what it has to do and just leave it and just let the market show me I'm wrong. But on that note, I'm gonna end the video off here. So if you enjoyed this, if you found it helpful in any way, shape, or form, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Today was just an example of a choppy day. Not much opportunity, not much volume. It's a day where we only had one news event, and that was at 8:30, so it didn't really even affect us. But I'm still keeping my bullish bias. I still think there's a high chance price could still go my direction. Like I said, I have my TP set at TP3. My stop loss is below 35, what is it, 33,500. So whatever happens, happens. So on that note, I'm gonna leave it at that. Hopefully everyone enjoyed it. Make sure you stay motivated by the fear of being average, and I'll see you all tomorrow morning for the